Is this the app for Shopify you need? Running an online store in 2026 means relying on apps to improve your store's appearance, increase sales, and automate certain functions. One app that has been gaining attention recently is Sternify. Marketed as a tool to help Shopify store owners enhance customer engagement and boost conversions, Sternify promises customizable design blocks, upsell and bundle options, and social proof features. But does it actually deliver on those promises? Sternify allows merchants to add sections like banners, product bundles, testimonials, and related product recommendations without needing coding skills or external developers. These blocks integrate directly with Shopify themes, making it easy to create visually appealing and professional-looking pages that showcase offers and increase conversions. Many store owners have highlighted that this is particularly useful for upsells and bundle promotions, helping increase average order value while providing a better shopping experience. One of the key benefits of Sternify is its ability to automate upsells and product bundles. This feature allows store owners to present relevant, additional products or packages at the right moments during the shopping journey. If used correctly, this can significantly improve revenue and create a more personalized experience for customers. User feedback has been largely positive. Most reviews praise how easy it is to install and use the app, its compatibility with different Shopify themes, and the responsive customer support. Some users report that the support team even helps adjust features to meet the unique needs of a store, which is especially valuable for merchants without technical backgrounds. Many merchants also credit Sternify with helping improve key metrics like conversion rates and overall store aesthetics, which previously required multiple apps or custom coding. Pricing is another consideration. Sternify offers monthly subscription plans with an initial free trial. The basic plan starts around $23 per month and includes design blocks, bundles, upsells, and promotional banners. The Pro plan, with additional features like review management and priority support, is around $39 per month. While this may be an added cost, many merchants find the ROI worthwhile if the app helps recover abandoned sales and increase average order value. It's also important to keep in mind the broader Shopify app ecosystem. Many merchants pay for multiple apps every month, and costs can add up. Sternify's pricing is reasonable compared to some competitors, but the value you get depends on how much you use the app and how effectively it improves sales. Overall, Sternify appears to be a legitimate and useful Shopify app that helps merchants customize their stores, enhance product presentation, and increase conversions through design blocks, upsells, and bundles. It is well reviewed by users for ease of use, practical features, and responsive support. As with any app, your experience will depend on your specific store needs. For basic design changes, other apps might be enough. But if you want a centralized tool for upsells, bundles, and customizable blocks, Sternify is worth considering. If this review helped you understand whether Sternify is the right app for your Shopify store in 2026, leave a like, subscribe for more honest app reviews, and share your thoughts in the comments. Which feature would you use the most? Upsells, social proof, or custom design blocks?